Good morning, student. Welcome to our math session. Today we will start a new chapter, chapter number 5, lines and angles. Okay. So first we see some basic geometrical terms. Okay. So first we see point. What is mean by point? Point is a basic unit of geometry. Okay. We represent the point by dot and name it with a capital letter. Okay, we use to denote the point is capital letter. How to write this is point A. Okay, and some examples of points are in daily lives are tip of pencil, pencil lead, tip of pencil lead, or tip of a pin are the examples of point. And what is the use of point? Point we use to show the location. Okay, in map or any other way, we use the point to show the location. Next is line. What is meant by line? A line is a collection of points extending endlessly in both the direction along the straight path. Okay, extend in both the direction endlessly. Here is no end. This line go this side and again go this side endlessly. Here is no end point. So this is line. Okay, it's a collection of points. Okay, so how to write the name of the line? This is line AB. So AB is a straight line and the arrow in two direction indicate that it goes endlessly in both the directions. So line has no starting point and no end point. The line can also be represented by small letter. Okay, suppose we write the line AB. This is name of the line AB. And right here the symbol of line is this type. Okay, line AB. Or otherwise you have to show the line, use small letter to represent the line. This line L or line M. Okay, this is line. Then next is line segment. Okay, line segment means, what is mean by line segment? A part of line, it's called line segment. Okay, this here is line has no starting point and no end point, and the part of line is called line segment. Okay, so it has starting point and end point also. Here is starting point and ending point both. We call it this is starting point and end point. And such a line segment, we write the name of the line segment PQ. And how to represent? PQ is the line segment, and we measure this line segment because here is starting point and ending point. So line segment is a part of line. It has both starting point and end point. Okay, so we represent. See here, line के लिए we show this type of sign. Okay, both side arrow. Here is, this is line segment. Okay, PQ line segment. Then next is ray. What is mean by ray? Line segment is an example. Suppose we this is your book. Okay, so this is also line segment, the edges of book or a scale. Okay, or your whiteboard, the all the edges of the book, whiteboard, or this is scale, is examples of line segment. Then ray is a part of line again, but which has a starting point but goes endlessly in other direction. So ray is again part of line, but it has one, this is starting point, but goes endlessly in other direction. And this direction, the in which the ray goes endlessly and the starting point are clearly indicated in ray. See here, this, suppose the name of this ray is ray AB. Okay, and how to show? This is type, this AB, ray AB. Okay, so the examples of rays, sunlight. Okay, sunlight, this is source of light. Okay, or torch, and the rays go endlessly in other direction. So this type of line is called ray. Okay, this is part of line. It's have one starting point, but here other side is go endlessly. Okay, suppose we write this type of arrow. What is the name? PQ. Q. Now you have to write this is starting point. So write first P and Q and the direction of this ray this side. Okay, ray PQ. So these are the some information about point, line segment, rays. Now we see next parallel line or intersecting lines. Okay. See here, parallel lines means the two lines go endlessly or having same distance. Okay, suppose this line L and this line M. Okay, this line is called parallel line because this line go uh, endlessly. Okay, but having same distance, and these two lines never meet to each other. Or there are some line segments. Suppose the scale. Suppose we use the scale. Okay, the scale this type. Okay, so this is 1 2 start from 0 3 4. This is example of scale. Okay, so these two lines, okay, these are parallel to each other. Okay, these are line segment because these are both starting point and ending point. Here again this starting point, ending point, so these lines are parallel to each other. The line segment which will not never meet, meet. Suppose we extend this line never meet to each other. Okay, this type of lines called parallel lines. Okay, then railway lines, railway rules. See here this type of, okay, these are railway track. So these all lines are parallel to each other, and this track also parallel to each other. These are the examples of parallel lines. Then intersecting lines means the lines has common, the lines which have a common point. Suppose we draw this type of line. So these two lines may have a one common point. Okay, suppose point O. So this type of lines called as intersecting lines. If two lines have a one common point, they are called intersecting lines. What is the example? Suppose we write the letter X. So X has a one common point. See this line and this line, one common. Then crossing road again have a one end point. Okay, suppose your notebook. Okay, this is two adjacent, this one edge and this is another edge. So this point again has a intersecting point. Okay, so this type of lines called intersecting lines. Okay, now we see about angles, triangles. Okay, so what is mean by angles? Angles means angles made by two arms and one vertex. Okay, these are the arms and this is vertex. Vertex means corner. Okay, so this angle is made of when two rays form an angle are called arm or sides. These are sides or arm of the angle, and the common initial point is vertex of the angle. Suppose these are rays. This ray start from this point and this ray start from this point. Okay, so here we get angle. Okay, so angle, and these are two arms or side of the angle, and this is point O. Okay, and how to write the name of this angle? Angle AOB. This is sign angle AOB. Okay, so suppose we draw this type of, these two lines are intersecting to each other. Okay, this is the common point O, and the points are, see here point P, O, S, R and Q. So in this figure, how many angles are formed? What is the name of this angle in this given figure? So here, see here, we get this is one angle. Okay, angle POS, angle POS. Okay, we have to always write the vertex middle. Okay, so this is angle POS. Then next angle is SOQ, SOQ. This next angle, angle SOQ. Next, this angle also QOR, angle QOR. R. Then this is last angle, R O P or P O R. P O R. Okay. So these four angles form in this figure. Okay. Now we see types of angle. Okay. So types of angles means, so we here we get four types of angle. Okay. So here first is acute angle, obtuse angle, then straight angle and complete angle. Okay. So what is mean by first we say right angle. Okay. Right angle means, right angle measure exactly 90 degree. 90 degree angle is called right angle. Suppose this straight line and again this is sleeping line straight. So this angle form is 90 degree angle. So this type of angle is called right angle. Okay. Letter L. Suppose we write the letter L. So which type of angle formed in this letter L? This is right angle. Okay. Then means the angle is 90 degree is called right angle. Then next is straight angle. Or suppose we take one more example, letter H. Okay, see here we get these two straight lines. So here we get right angle, this side again we get right angle, this side again we get right angle, and again this side we get right angle. Okay, so this is again example of right angle. Then next is straight angle. Straight angle means the angle measuring 180 degree. Okay, 180 degree angle is called straight angle. And straight angle means, see name already say that is straight angle. See, this is 180 degree angle. 180 degree. This is 90 degree angle. Okay, so this type of angle is called straight angle. Okay, then acute angle. Acute angle means an angle which is less than right angle is called acute angle. Okay, so angle is smaller than 90 degree, smaller than 90 degree, this type of angle is called acute angle. So what is the example? See this type of angle. This angle smaller than 90 degree means 80 degree, 75 degree, 72 degree, 60 degree, 30 degree, 20 degree, 15 degree. Okay, this type of angles are called acute angles. Okay, then suppose we draw the letter A. So this type of angle form is called acute angle. Okay, now which are a obtuse angle. Obtuse angle means the angle which is more than right angle but less than straight angle is called obtuse angle. Obtuse angle is smaller than 180 degree but it's more than 90 degree. Okay, smaller than 180 degree. Okay, smaller than 180 degree but greater than 90 degree. Okay, this type of angles called obtuse angle. Okay, so which angles are 130 degree, 145 degree, 170 degree, 178 degree. Okay, up to 180. Okay, this angle greater than 90 degree but less than 180 degree. So this type of angle, suppose we draw this type of angle. So this type of angle is called as obtuse angle. Suppose this angle is 172 degree. Okay, so suppose we draw again one more angle 130 degree. Okay, this type of angle is called obtuse angle. Then again here is one more example is complete angle. Okay, the angle that measure 360 degree means complete round. Okay, so this type of angle is called complete angle. See here, the angle that measure 330 degree is called complete angle. And how to measure this angle? So this is, we get circle because is complete circle. Okay, so this type of angle is called complete angle. Okay, so these are the types of angle is acute right angle, straight angle, acute angle, obtuse angle, and complete angle. Complete angle means complete 360 degree. Okay, suppose आपकी clock है. Okay, in your clock 12 o'clock is there, so this clock small needle move from complete move 1 2 3 4. सो यहाँ पे मूव करके वापस 12 पे आ गई, तो बोथ दी नीडल. सो दिस टाइप ऑफ एंगल इज फॉर्म इज कॉल्ड कंप्लीट एंगल. ओके, सो these are information about angles. Okay, so today we see the basic information about geometrical shape. Okay, so today I will send you some materials, then you have to complete all the underline content in your notebook. Okay, thank you.